The AI revolution is driving an industrial build-out of data centers far beyond what the world has ever seen, and the components that go into them have started to see huge surges in demand. Fiber optics, little strands of glass that transmit light, have been carrying data between servers for a long time. But a fundamental shift is about to happen. AI data centers are about to start using light to communicate inside each server. Why? It's basically because the new AI chips will be so much faster than the current ones that electrical signals sent through copper wires won't be precise enough to handle the chip-to-chip communication anymore. This is driving a switch from electricity, electrons, to light, photons, to send messages between them. This is called photonics, and it dramatically multiplies how much optical content sits inside every AI system. Goldman Sachs analysts estimate that AI data center spending on optical components will go from $15 billion a year in 2026 to $154 billion by 2028, roughly a 10x increase. Where will all of that spending flow? Photonics is still a young industry, with the majority of the supply chain in a small handful of companies. The Reserve AI Photonics DTF, which uses the ticker PHOTON, is a publicly investable basket built around precisely these companies. A DTF is a Decentralized Token Fund. Every DTF token is directly redeemable on-chain for the underlying tokens it represents. This DTF bundles Ondo Global Markets tokenized stocks. For every Ondo token, there's an actual share of that stock sitting in a regulated US brokerage account. Holders always have the option to withdraw the underlying tokens from the DTF smart contract, and in the case of Ondo stock DTFs, redeem them for cash with Ondo. This redemption path is what gives the DTF its value, but for convenience, most people just buy and sell DTF tokens with stablecoins like USDT. You can buy and sell stock-based DTFs on-chain on Reserve at app.reserve.org or on third-party portals like 1inch and PancakeSwap, as long as you're in a qualifying jurisdiction. This DTF inherits Ondo's geographic rules. There are 3 categories of jurisdiction. First, prohibited. If you're in the US, including its territories, or in any of the jurisdictions shown on the map, you cannot purchase or redeem this product. Second, restricted. If you're in any of these countries, you can buy, but only after onboarding through a verification flow that confirms you meet your local regulator's standard for sophisticated or accredited investors. Third, self-service. Everywhere else, you can just connect your wallet and purchase. You take responsibility for following your country's local laws and regulations. By the way, Reserve is working with the SEC and the Tokenized Asset Coalition to bring publicly accessible tokenized securities to the US. We envision regulated tokenized assets of all kinds integrated throughout DeFi and usable in DTFs worldwide, using an open standard we created called the Global Access Protocol. It introduces the lightest possible form of KYC to satisfy regulatory needs, letting users KYC once to access tokens across issuers and countries. Follow us on X at Reserve Protocol for more on that as things progress. Reserve got started in 2018 with backing from Sam Altman and Peter Thiel. Our end goal is to build DTFs that retain their purchasing power no matter what plays out in the world. Whether we experience World War III, the decline of the United States and the US dollar, or runaway economic growth and a true technological singularity. To get there, we built the blockchain version of Vanguard, a platform for creating decentralized token funds of all kinds. We started with crypto baskets, and now we support equities. And as more assets come on-chain, the breadth of what we can offer will keep growing. We've spent millions of dollars on code audits to keep your funds safe in Reserve smart contracts. But, as with most DeFi applications, you use the software at your own risk. We built the PHOTON DTF because many respected voices are excited about this category. With Goldman Sachs analysts forecasting 10x growth in the demand for optical components in AI data centers over 2 years as NVIDIA builds out its next-generation Rubin Ultra compute platform, it's easy to see why photonics companies have started to get so much attention. The PHOTON DTF gives you direct exposure to a weighted basket of publicly traded US photonics companies with no minimum or maximum purchase size, making it a straightforward way to get exposure to the whole category. Keep in mind that nothing in this video is investment advice. We are not a regulated financial intermediary, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase any of the assets offered on the Reserve platform, all of which may lose value. Welcome to the world of DTFs on Reserve. See you on chain.